questioning if I still see you the same way. 'Cause through these trying years, we gonna both physically change now. Don't you know you'll always be the most beautiful woman I know? So let me reassure you, darling, that my feelings are truly unconditional. See, I'll love you when your hair turns gray, girl. I still want you if you gain a little weight. Yeah, the way I feel for you will always be the same, just as long as your love don't change. No, I was meant for you and you were meant for me, yeah. And I'll make sure that I'll be everything you need, yeah. Girl, the way we are is how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change.
On behalf of the Silvas, we like to say Happy Mother's Day, Robin Edwins,
Sophia Silva, Hannah Silva,
and Marie Silva. And I hope you get to see this because you're not here. Bye! Happy Mother's Day!
Hi, Mom! Happy Mother's Day from all 8 of your kids. Mom, we just wanted to say thank you for everything you've done for us. You know, work hard. Happy Mother's Day from Christina, Shani, Sienna, Cindric, Shane, Sikori, Sean, and Stephanie. We love you, Mom.
love you.
Thanks, Mom, for everything. If it wasn't for you to get me out of jail today, I wouldn't be here right now. Love you.
The girls. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We love you and thank you for everything you've done. From to Fiona. Anna. Chicks, bye. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Just want to say thank you for everything you've done for us. Just want to wish you happy Mother's Day. You know you've been thinking of us almost every day for not doing our chores, but we know it's for a good cause. Thank you, Mom.
Good afternoon, Mom. Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. You're my mommy. You're number one.
Hey, Mom. We just wanted to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we love you. And hey, where do you come from? I'm the other brother from another mother. And I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to you. Okay? Happy Mother's Day. 1, 2, 3, 4.